why they maybe that's also, they became a little bit rough, too rough with each other. I think more, and I blame more on Lily too, because Sammy's fast on her feet. So Lily gets frustrated and decides, I'm going to hold you down and grab you. So
Well,
they stop playing.
that's because my dog's better looking than yours, Joan.
You think, you wish. That's why everybody comes up to me and says, oh my God, they can't believe how beautiful she is. It's like you win her heart. She knows how to con somebody out of anything. Nope, hair is flying and it looks like Lily's hair. Somebody's getting the better of somebody here. Or somebody needs a good brushing. Gentle, gentle. Whoop. Gentle, gentle. Not in the garden. Whoa. Gentle, gentle. No, whoop, whoop, whoop. Off, off, off. Good girl. Did you